Hi guys, just a little update here. Morning is done really. We're sort of just past 9:30. Just done the chat room this morning, which was nice. We had some nice sort of trades off and discussed some really nice trades that are setting up. It's a big news day today. So 1:30, I think we've got CPI and then some commentary from the Governor of the Bank of England at 3. So it's kind of like time to turn the screens off, time to go out for a walk. Made some really nice trades this morning, so I just show you here on my sort of trading phone. Here, yeah, really nice. You can see that the German DAX just did about £1,000 there, just over £1,000. Still got that trade running. Just taken some profit at a support here, so you can see I've still got that trade running here. But I'm risk off now, which is really quite nice. A couple of other trades there. Euro Swissy buy, which was really nice. It's a bit more of a swing trade, that one, so that's great. That's developing, sort of 83 quid up, something like that. Couple of things going against me, not hugely. Sort of the oil trade here was very speculative. I mean, really, it's a short bias, but just having a little speculative long as a day trader, trying to see if it wants to pop up. And then Swissy yen there going against me a little bit, but not too bad. Still £400 up on top of the 1,000 that I've made this morning. And you know, that Swissy yen, it's a swing trade, so I'm happy to hold that longer term. So yeah, been at the screens this morning for, you know, couple of hours, really 2.5 hours, just doing the live chat room, which we've finished up. And now it's time really to get some balance, go for a walk, stretch the legs, do those other things you've got to do in life. Yeah, reason I'm a trader is I love the freedom, so I like to go and take some freedom. It's a lovely sunny day out there, just keen to get that balance as a trader and not just spend all day looking at these screens. I've made some money, still making some money. Now it's time to sort of head out the door and yeah, go and enjoy some nice fresh air and you know, listen to the birds sing. So that's me done for the morning. I'm going to give you a little update on this sort of you know, little diary of a day trader, as I call it. Cheers guys, see you later.